What's up, guys? So we all know that we can just go to the dollar store and buy a card, but then people really appreciate when you take the time to make something special, and mainly when you actually use your hands to do so. So for that reason, I'm bringing you a collection of St. Valentine's cards that you can make in a few minutes, like this one, or this one. They all have something special. They're all in 3D or have some cool and unique things, so let's go check them out. Here's the third card. So guys, I hope you're enjoying our collection of cards. Don't forget to check them all out and let me know in the comments which one you like better. Before you leave, give me your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!